Hi everyone, welcome back to another Canva tutorial. Today we're going to be taking a look at how you can turn any picture or any image into a 3D picture. We're going to start by heading up to Elements and we're just going to select a photo. So head down to Photos, then we're just going to scroll through. So if we type in a photo, we will have a photo of a woman and then we'll see what it brings up. So we just want a nice clear photo that we can use. So if we select this one, if it's got a background, we need to remove the background because we need to make sure that the background is clear. Background Remover is a Canva Pro feature. If you don't have Canva Pro, then click on the link in the description and that will give you a free 30-day trial to try out Canva Pro and all its amazing features. Once we've removed the background, we head over to Edit and we are going down to Style Match and select See All. Then we're going to scroll down and we're going to go to 3D Art. When we select 3D Art, Canva is now going to do its magic and it's now going to transform our picture into a 3D picture. And there we can see that is a really cool, funky 3D art picture that it has changed our photo into. We can also do this with images of pets. If we now select a cat, can delete that photo and we can choose a photo, a cute photo of a cat. So we'll choose this fluffy one. That's really sweet. We go back up to Edit again, down to Style Match and See All and 3D Art. And again, Canva will do its magic and turn our cute kitten into a 3D art picture. And that's the 3D art picture that it has chosen to change our kitten into. And that's a really cool way that you can jump on the trend of making 3D art from pictures and photos inside of Canva. Thanks for watching. See you all again soon.